I spent a year learning and experimenting with all the useful resources available on the land I bought and how to not only use a chainsaw, but use it to make rough lumber suitable for building. After throwing together a small test shelter, I decided I had enough of an understanding to move on to my main goal. Building a cabin made using 100% chainsaw milled lumber sourced and processed right here on the land. With zero construction experience, a dream, and pure willpower, I began to take on what seemed at times like the impossible.
There are plans to remove 8 synthetic food dyes from American products. That's ready.